So a lot of people ask me about all that, war in the Old Testament. What kind of God endorses that war? All that bloodletting and terrible stuff in the book of Joshua and the relationship with the Canaanites, the original inhabitants of the land. These are fundamental questions that Christians have always agonised about, and of course in Jewish tradition as well. So we're going to look at some of those key traditions in the book of Deuteronomy, the laws about how you take the land and why, where those laws come from, how they differ from what we find in the book of Leviticus, how they play out in the gory details of Joshua, which has some many kind of surprising inversions in the actual narratives of the conquest against all our expectations and against the law as well. And then the language of peace and the visions of peace and how they work. And of course, in order to examine the significance of all those biblical traditions, we need to look at Christian ethical teaching on the idea of just war or just peace, and the alternative, the pacifist traditions, which include the Anabaptist traditions, which are closer to our own Baptist communities, and how the use of the Bible actually works in those traditions, particularly when you think about all the warfare in the Hebrew Bible. So come along, many layers to this story.